The general word equation for combustion is when a fuel reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. In combustion, oxygen is always needed. Combustion will not happen without oxygen. Here we have a candle, and if we light this candle and then cover it with glass, this means that no more oxygen can enter. The result of this is that the candle stops burning. This is because the glass jar has run out of oxygen. This simple experiment shows how, for combustion to take place, a fuel needs oxygen, and without oxygen, combustion simply does not take place. This is a Bunsen burner, and it's used in the laboratory to heat things up. And this orange tube shows where gas enters the Bunsen burner. This is the air hole, which lets in air, and here the air hole is closed. This stops air entering the air hole, which means that the oxygen supply is limited. This results in an orange flame, which has been caused by incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion is just combustion with a limited supply of oxygen. Now let's compare this to a Bunsen burner where the air hole is open. When the air hole is open, this means air can easily flow into the Bunsen burner, resulting in a plentiful supply of oxygen. This plentiful supply of oxygen results in a blue flame. The plentiful supply of oxygen causes complete combustion. Complete combustion is combustion with a plentiful supply of oxygen. As there is less oxygen being supplied, the flame in incomplete combustion is weaker, whereas in complete combustion, there is more oxygen being supplied, so the flame is stronger. This results in the orange flame being less hot and the blue flame being hotter. In the laboratory, when using Bunsen burners, we only use the orange flame if we leave a Bunsen burner unattended. This is because the orange flame is easier to see, so it reduces the risk of getting burnt, whereas we only use the blue flame when we're heating something up. This is because the blue flame is harder to see, so it increases the chances of getting burnt. Press pause to answer the questions, and the answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video.